Hello and welcome to our journey through one of the most fascinating and controversial chapters in the history of science and human relations. Today, we're diving into a story that intertwines ambition, ethics, and the complex relationships between humans and our closest animal relatives, the primates. Imagine a world where the boundaries of science and human ethics blur in ways never before seen. A world where human curiosity pushes the limits of what's considered acceptable. This is the world we'll explore, starting with a remarkable figure from the early 20th century. Chapter 1. The Soviet experiment. Our story begins in February 1926 with the Russian biologist Ilya Ivanov. Ivanov was not just any scientist. He was a pioneer in the field of artificial insemination, a technique where eggs are fertilized outside the body. His work, which would later contribute to in vitro fertilization, took him to the heart of Africa, specifically Guinea. But Ivanov's mission was far from ordinary. His goal was to conduct one of the most bizarre and ambitious experiments ever attempted, to create a hybrid between humans and apes. This wasn't just scientific curiosity. It was an experiment funded and supported by the Soviet government, who had high hopes for the potential of this research. The Soviet regime, known for its audacious projects, saw in Ivanov's work a chance to create what the English press would later dub Stalin's mutant ape army. Ivanov's plan was to collect a group of apes and then inseminate them with human sperm, using Russian female volunteers to carry these fertilized ape eggs. The aim? To produce a hybrid that combined the physical prowess of apes with the intelligence of humans. Imagine the implications. An army of super strong, super smart beings. However, this experiment, as ambitious as it was, never reached fruition. It generated a huge buzz, but failed spectacularly. The ethical questions surrounding such an experiment were immense, and the project was eventually shelved. But the fascination with the idea of human-primate hybrids persisted, leaving a legacy of both intrigue and ethical debate. Chapter 2. The rise of psychophobia. While the Soviet Union was busy experimenting, the United States was grappling with a different issue: